What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to upgrade your Lego Genji minifigure. So I think you might be familiar with this because it's from Lego Overwatch. It came in the Genji versus Hanzo set. It's around $20 to $30 or $50, so let's show you how to upgrade him. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is just take the helmet and the head off. Then get this back piece and take it off. So then you're going to get this little armor piece from Lego Ninjago, like the game season where they got stuck in a game. So get the white one from Lloyd. So then put it on his back, right? It's like from the arcade thing. So then get two of the swords that also came in the set. Then just put it on the back. Make sure it's on the sharp edge is pointing up, and the same thing with the other one. So just like this, perfect. There you go. There you have your swords. Then put his head and helmet on. But you can use whatever head you want. You can use the original silver head, but I choose to use Kylo Ren just because it seems like the best choice. Okay. So there you go. This is your Genji. But he doesn't really have these two swords in the game, so I'm going to show you how to make his sword. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty easy one. So get this game controller one from Lego Ninjago. It came from an arcade little set. Okay, so then get a little silver rollerblade or roller skate. I don't know which one you call it. So, and this came from Luke's land speeder. So put that on at this kind of angle. Okay, so then you gotta get a white stud that has a hole in the middle. Put that on top of the roller skate. Then get this Lego Ninjago transparent green blade with a little bit cut off of a tip. So then put that in the hole just like this. There you go. Then get this horn piece and put it on the bottom just like this. So there is your sword, and let's put this on our Genji. There you go. This is his sword. So it looks a little bit better. Okay, now he has shurikens in the game too, so we're just going to use the ones that came in the set. So let me put them on for you. Okay, so I like to put them on front, so right here. So, well, it's pointing upwards, the sharp edge is pointing upwards. So then do this, then do the same thing with this. Perfect. So there you go. This is his shurikens. Okay, we're gonna give him a little bit of a knife too, just because in the game he had a knife. So we're gonna use another thing from Lego Ninjago, the arcade season. And there you go. This is your knife. Sorry, I accidentally sanded the part of this, so it looks a little flat. You can use a regular version because that's my mistake. Okay, so then we're gonna give him some blasters. Okay, so you saw this in my previous video a couple days ago. You are going to use Star-Lord's blasters. I know it doesn't look that great. I know they're not in the same universe, but it just looks good to me, so I'm just going to try it out. So just like this, looks a little bit good. So using Star-Lord's blasters, and there you go. So another thing, I just recently watched the short film called Dragons. So I'm gonna make a stand for the sword. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a minifigure plate like this. Make sure it's just 4 right here and just flat on the rest of the side. Then we're gonna use this little gate piece from the set Genji versus Hanzo, and then you're gonna use 2 modified stud bricks 1 by 1. With little clips on the top. Okay, so let's get to building. Okay, so you're gonna get this piece and connect it to this piece, like that. And then you're gonna get your clip, put this on one side and get the other one, put that on that side. And then get your sword, clip it on one area, make sure it's secure. Then you gotta push it up because the sword is very fragile, so gotta make sure it keeps it in place because it clicks into this one little area right in between the studs. So perfect, just like that. There you go. This is how you pose his sword. There we go. And there you go. This is your Lego Genji combination. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and I'll make some more videos later today. Peace.